local, late breaking. This is WBAL TV 11 News, Saturday morning.
Well, barbecue season is here, and a side choice for many is pasta salad, but there are ways that you can make it a little healthier. And joining us this morning with her unique twist is founder of Mama Instincts, Carolina King. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
You're so welcome. So you brought us sort of the traditional pasta salad.
Yes, I did, but I'm going to share a healthy twist. So the traditional pasta salad is delicious, and this is a Mexican pasta salad, which is really easy to put together, great to feed big crowds, and great to make it overnight. Or make it at night, serve it in the morning. But when I serve it to my family, I want to make a low-calorie version. So pasta has about 300 calories per serving, and I use a miracle noodle and miracle rice.
These are the shirataki noodles.
Shirataki noodles, that's right. They're 97% water and 3% fiber.
So basically no calories either.
There are no calories, and they're safe for people that are in a low-carb diet, like a paleo diet or keto diet that is very popular nowadays.
Absolutely.
And so the cool thing, we're going to make this salad with this, so you can start dumping the ingredients.
All right, so we're going to put it right in here?
Yes.
Okay, so you have cherry tomatoes?
Cherry tomatoes. All
right.
Or you can put diced tomato.
And the little corns?
A little corn.
I love those. Those are my favorite.
You can just dump a little bit of the cilantro.
A little bit of cilantro goes a long way.
And the cool thing about the miracle noodles is that you can get any pasta recipe and just make it with these noodles.
Can I put the beans in too?
Yes, put the beans in there.
Put the beans in there, okay.
And these noodles are flavorless, so the key to cooking with these noodles is to cook them in really flavorful foods and the sauce.
And the sauce, okay. What do you put in there?
So this is my secret sauce, which is a cup and a half of your favorite salsa, but then you add 2 teaspoons of your favorite taco seasoning. Now, most people like to add olive oil, but I like to add chia seed oil because it's full in omega-3, and my kids don't eat enough fish.
All right, that's a good idea.
So we add this here, we mix it, and then the secret, whether you're making